Hello everyone, today I want to show you about how to create animation in PowerPoint. Okay, when I click, okay, this is animation I make for you. The sample can you choose, you make by yourself. Okay, when you watch my video already. Okay, now let's start with me create animation, create new slide, and everyone create new slide, and then start make this shape. Okay, click here. Okay, yeah, I make this shape already, and everyone drawing rectangle. Okay, click this shape. Yes, click all shape and merge shape, three words. Okay, and everyone now change color backgrounds and click format backgrounds and color, choose color. Yes, already, and then click shape format and choose color, white color, and shape outlines, no outline, and drawing shape, white color. Okay, click all shape, merge shape. Okay, delete. Okay, and control G, and everyone control this and rotate. Okay, and merge shape, and we start ungroup and select all and merge shape. Okay, merge shape, and merge shape already. I can choose put here. Okay, and then everyone select all objects and control G. Okay, and drawing shape, this shape, and everyone create shape and zoom, no outline, and add text. Yes, and add text already. Everyone select all objects, and then we make shadow. Yes, this shape, and make shape outlines, no outline, and fill and black color, and we can make shape and select all, delete, and no outlines, black color, and click edit points and shut down. Okay, send to back and send to back, and then click format shape and rectangle gradient, and and this curve rise, linear rise, and this black color. Okay, black color, and this color, and click pass background. Yes, already. Okay, and then everyone click all objects and control this, and click all, control this, pass here, and change color, change this color, format shape, fill. Okay, change color, and change color text. Click text and color. Okay, pass here. Okay, click pass here and click pass here. Yes, and then everyone makes icons. Okay, this is icons, and everyone zoom and then copies. Okay, control this, and we get delete and choose one icon and choose 3 icon. Yes, everyone change color icons and click on icons and shape format, text field and yellow, red color, and then click on icon, choose shape format, text field and yellow. Okay, click on icon, text field, choose color. Okay, white colors and green colors, and everyone select okay, and Control G. Okay, select Control G, group objects. Okay, make to group objects. Okay, everyone starts at animation and click this shape and select animation and fly in, and then choose effect option and choose from right. Okay, and width, and effect option from left. Okay, and from left, everyone need to choose start on after previous, and then everyone click this shape, the same animation, and fly in and choose after previous and width. Okay, and from left. Okay, from right. Okay, and everyone start a previous the same part. Okay, and everyone makes animation already, and can you add animation on the shape? Okay, and click on animation and you choose an animation painter and pass here. Okay, animation painter, pass here. Okay, it is easy for you. And add animation. Okay, it is easy for you can make by yourself, because everyone can make one animation and can add animation all the shape. Okay, add animation already. Just make slide already, and everyone starts slideshow and no animation when I click here. Okay, animation show already. Okay, this is a sample for you. Can you make by yourself? Okay, I'm sorry for the mistakes on my video. If you like, don't forget like, subscribe and comments. Okay, see you in next video. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.